good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. I welcome you to today's lecture. I must apologize that I was not able to be on live yesterday because I was so busy yesterday that I couldn't go live. But I promise you that today we'll be able to make it up. So I still remain your classic ZIZARA, and I welcome you to today's lecture. Please don't forget to share the video. Share the video and like the video. You can always comment. You can always comment at the comment section. Tell me what you would want me to teach, and if there is any question on the past ones we've taught so far, you can also ask me any question of your choice. I will be able to return the question, okay? I'm always there for you. I welcome you, my lovely family. Depending on where you are watching me from, you are highly welcome, okay? You are highly welcome. Welcome once again. So without wasting much of your time, today we are going to learn on common Igbo vocabularies. Some common Igbo vocabularies we see or we hear, and we don't actually know their meanings in Igbo. Today, we are going to break them down one after the other. So just keep sharing the video so that others that have not joined will be able to join, okay? Please keep sharing the video. Keep sharing the video. Keep sharing the video, please. Yeah, today we are going to start with ants. 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 What do we call ants in Igbo language? What do we call ants in Igbo language? What do we call ants in Igbo language? Ants. Aroro. 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 I'm trying to place my camera well so that you'll be able to see my write-ups. Ants. Aroro. Ants. Aroro. B. Ow. The N, there should be a dash on top of the N, making it ang, not ano. Ang. Chain. Iyegbe. Chain. Iyegbe. Pencil. Mkpịsị odide. Pencil. Mkpịsị odide. Grasshopper. grasshopper, ụkpana, 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 grasshopper, ụkpana, grasshopper, ụkpana, grasshopper, ụkpana, umbrella, umbrella, ncheanwụ, 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 butterfly, 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 ụbụba, 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 butterfly, ụbụba, eraser, sorry, ụbụba, eraser, eraser, nchicha, nchicha, eraser, nchicha, mud, mud, ụrọ, 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 paper, 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 mpempe akwụkwọ, mpempe akwụkwọ, mpempe akwụkwọ, mpempe akwụkwọ, paper, 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 paper, mpempe akwụkwọ, paper, paper, mpempe akwụkwọ, paper, mpempe akwụkwọ, stone, stone, okwute, okwute, stone, okwute, stone, okwute, stone, okwute, stone, okwute, stone, okwute, sand, stand, aja, sand, sand, aja, sand, aja, hill, hill, ugwu, ugwu, hill, ugwu, hill, ugwu, pen, pen, mkpịsị uli, pen, mkpịsị uli, pen, mkpịsị uli, pen, mkpịsị uli, crab, crab, sorry, crab, nshịkọ, crab, nshịkọ, crab, nshịkọ, crab, nshịkọ, octopus, 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 aka asatọ, octopus, aka asatọ, aka asatọ, octopus, octopus, aka asatọ, crocodile, 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 agụ iyi, crocodile, agụ iyi, crocodile, agụ iyi, hammer, 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 otutu, otutu, hammer, hippopotamus, 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 enyi mmiri, hippopotamus, enyi mmiri, enyi mmiri, enyi mmiri, hippopotamus, enyi mmiri, hippopotamus, enyi mmiri, hippopotamus, squirrel, 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 ọsa, squirrel, ọsa, squirrel, ọsa, squirrel, ọsa, squirrel, ọsa, squirrel, ọsa. Now, ntu, 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 bats, ụsụ, ụsụ, ladder, 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 igulube, ladder igulube, ladder igulube, ladder igulube, window, window, window mbo, window mbo, window mbo, door, door, door ọnụ ụzọ, ọnụ ụzọ, door ọnụ ụzọ, rope, rope ụdọ, rope ụdọ, rope ụdọ, rope ụdọ, mirror, mirror enyo, mirror enyo, mirror enyo, mirror enyo, scissors, scissors, scissors mkpa, scissors mkpa, scissors mkpa. Okay, that is where we're going to end today. So let's start from the beginning to read it out again. Let's start from the beginning. And I said that in case if you are just entering, I said that today we are learning on common Igbo vocabularies. There are some things you see around you or we see around us that we don't know what they are called in Igbo language. For example, I said ant, and I said ant is aroro, ant, aroro, ant, aroro, b, ang, b, ang, chain, iyewe, chain, iyewe, pencil, mkpịsị odide, pencil, mkpịsị odide, grasshopper, ụkpana, grasshopper, ụkpana, umbrella, nchanwụ, umbrella, nchanwụ, butterfly, ububa, or some people say oboba, oboba, butterfly, oboba, eraser, nchicha, eraser, nchicha, mold, ụrọ, mold, ụrọ, paper, mpempe akwụkwọ, paper, mpempe akwụkwọ, stone, okwute, sand, aja, hill, ugwu, pen, mkpịsị uli, crab, nshịkọ, octopus, aka asatọ, crocodile, agụ iyi, hammer, ọtụtụ, hammer, ọtụtụ, hippopotamus, ehi mmiri, 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 squirrel, ọsa, nail, ntu, bat, bat, also, bat, also, ladder, igulube, window, mbo, door, ọnụ ụzọ, rope, ụdọ, mirror, enyo, scissors, mkpa. Okay, I thank you, all my lovely people. I thank you for your active participation. We've come to the end of today's lecture. I wish you all a wonderful night and see you all this weekend, Saturday, Sunday. I must apologize that I was not able to make it yesterday, Saturday, but I thank God today I was able to make it. And let's meet again this week, Saturday and Sunday, same time. Thank you for now and have a wonderful night and a wonderful week ahead. Bye-bye.